Hello, everyone. Welcome to Catherine's ESL classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about motivational phrases, expressions, and idioms. For example, libraries are filled with treasures. Check them out. Those treasures would be books, everything that we wanted to learn, maybe magazines or videos or audio learning. So let's have some fun. So thank you again, everyone, for joining Ms. Catherine's ESL classroom on motivational phrases, expressions, and idioms. Libraries are filled with treasures. Check them out. If you notice here, there's a treasure chest, and this treasure chest has all the books. Okay, some warm-up questions. 1, what motivates you when learning new things? 2, what can you do to motivate your family and friends? Some vocabulary: go for, cheer up, give up, pull off. Now, we learned some of these in one of our previous lessons, but now we want to do it more motivational style. So let's do some vocabulary match. So which picture is give up? Which picture is go for? Which picture is cheer up? And which one is pull off? Take a minute. Give up. So this means don't give up. Go for it. We know that you can run fast. Maybe you can win this race. Cheer up. Don't be sad. It'll get better. I know you can pull it off and win this chess game. This means I know you can do it. These words are phrasal verbs. That means they are a verb next to a preposition. Now, we did learn this before, but we want to continue some of these phrasal verbs that are difficult for motivational purposes. So let's match the meaning with the correct phrasal verb. Okay, so we have give up, cheer up, go for it, and pull it off. Now, does give up mean do something difficult and win? Be happy and less sad? Stop doing something, or work hard to get something you want? Give up means stop doing something, okay? So if someone gives up, that means they stop doing something. What about cheer up? Does it mean do something difficult and win? Be happy and less sad? Or work hard to get something you want? That's right. Cheer up means be happy and less sad. What about go for it? Does it mean do something difficult and win, or work hard to get something you want? Work hard to get something you want. Okay, what about pull it off? We already know, right? Last one. Do something difficult and win. Okay, so sometimes English can be difficult, but we know you can pull it off. All you have to do is keep practicing. Okay, let's learn about past tense phrasal verbs. The phrasal verbs work a bit like other verbs when we use them in the past tense. We need to change the verb into past tense and leave the preposition. Okay, pull off becomes pulled off. Good. Now look at the phrasal verbs. What do you think the past tense version of each is? Okay, now we have give up. Give up is the present tense. And how would we make give up to past tense? Gave up. What about cheer up? Cheered up. What about go for? Went for. What about pull off? Pulled off. Now, bonus question. Which past tense verbs are regular verbs? That's right. The regular ones are the ED, cheered and pulled. Which one are the irregular past tense verbs? That's right. Gave and went. Remember, irregular past tense verbs you have to memorize. Now guess the phrasal verb. Read the following sentences and can you guess which phrasal verb goes in each sentence? Don't blank. Keep studying. English is easy. Do you remember the phrasal verbs we just spoke about? If you don't remember, press rewind. Okay, so which is the answer? Don't give up. Keep studying. English is easy. It can be with Ms. Catherine. Guess the phrasal verb. We should blank it. The company could break a world record. So which is the phrasal verb? We should go for it. The company could break a world record. Now, what kind of verb is should? That's right, it's a modal verb. Good job. Guess the phrasal verb. Blank, everything will be all right. Guess the phrasal verb. Cheer up, everything will be all right. Now remember, we did go over phrasal verbs in our previous lesson, but that's okay. It's good to keep doing these, but I want to make sure that these are motivational for you. Guess the phrasal verb. Very good work, everyone. We blank the deal. What's the phrasal verb? Very good work, everyone. We pulled off the deal. Good job. Now, guess what the idiom means? Now read the following expressions. Can you guess the meaning? The sky's the limit. Now, if you look at the picture, you already know it's possibilities, right? What does it mean? Anything is possible. Don't give up. The sky's the limit for a hard worker. That means you won't give up. I won't give up. Guess what the idiom means? Give it your best shot. Okay, what do you think this idiom means? Give it your best shot. That's right. Try to do something very well. Okay, if you remember, idioms are basically expressions and they don't mean exactly, they're not a literal meaning. So you have to know the expression and what it means. Now, there are origins of the idioms, and that could be your bonus if you want to. You could put down in the comments, how did the origin, the idiom, give it your best shot, originate from? Idiom meaning of give it your best shot means study and practice as much as you can. Studying English is very difficult. I don't think I can improve. So a motivational piece would say, I would say, give it your best shot. That means study and practice as much as you can. Okay, so for example, if your friend or family member says, studying English is very difficult, I don't think I can improve. Your motivation to them would say, give it your best shot, which means study and practice as much as you can. Guess what this idiom means? Break a leg. Now, it doesn't mean I want you to break your leg. It means good luck. That's right. Now, actors and actresses, when they perform, just when they go on stage or when they go and shoot a movie, people give them a motivational speech by saying, break a leg, which means good luck. So the idiom of break a leg means you've worked hard and I'm sure you'll pull it off. So if someone says, I have to give that big presentation today, I'm nervous. You would say as a motivation, break a leg, which means you've worked hard and I'm sure you'll pull it off. Now, if we want to motivate a friend, what would we say to motivate him? Your friend is an athlete and wants to break the world record. Your friend says, I'm very tired. I can't do this anymore. Now, all the idioms and phrasal verbs and expressions, how would you motivate your friend if they are an athlete and wants to break the world record? How would you motivate him? Your friend says, I'm very tired. I can't do this anymore. Think about it. Put it down in the comments. Here's another one. Your teammates at work are worried about a new product launch. What do you say to motivate them? Your teammates say, we're worried it won't be a big success. How would you motivate your friend with these expressions, with these phrasal verbs or idioms? Another one, how would you motivate your friend? Your friend went to a job interview, but she didn't get the job. What do you say to motivate her? Your friend says, I'm sad because I really wanted that job. What do I do now? How would you motivate your friend? Now let's correct the mistakes. Number one, don't give up. The limit is the sky. How would we correct that mistake? Don't give up. The sky's the limit. Okay. How about number two? Give your best shoot. How would we correct the mistake? Give your best shoot. Give it your best shot. How did you do? Good job. Now the last one. You'll pulled it off. Break the legs. How would we correct this mistake? You'll pull it off. Break a leg. How did you do? These weren't too hard. Now you know how to motivate your friends and your family by using expressions of phrasal verbs and idioms. So thank you everyone for joining Ms. Catherine's ESL classroom on motivational phrases, expressions, and idioms. Now remember, libraries are filled with treasures. Check them out. So if you want to learn and you're having a tough time, I would say as motivational, libraries are filled with treasures. Check them out. Well, thank you everyone for joining Ms. Catherine's ESL classroom. And until next time, I hope you have a great day, and libraries are filled with treasures. Check them out. English is easy with Ms. Catherine. Bye.